everyone, in this tutorial, I will show you how to create a zoom effect in Canva. Let's use this video as an example. First, add it to the page. Then, move the line to the position where you want to zoom in. Press the S key on your keyboard. Now, go to page 2 and adjust the video scale. Next, place your mouse between the two pages, click on the Add Transitions icon, and select Match and Move. Adjust the duration as needed. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.